To add outline in a text, you have to select Text tool and type the text content. Let's add ABC as text sample and adjust the size. After that, you have to select the text layer, which is automatically created. Now down here you can see the FX button or the Effects button. Click on it and select Stroke. It will apply outline to your text. You can also change size of the stroke and adjust inner stroke and outer stroke. You can also change the color of the stroke by clicking the color button. Like the video, if you found this video helpful,